The Centers for Disease Control field team getting a first look at what may be the source of a local typhus outbreak. 5 animals were caught overnight. KVUE's Mari Alvarez was there as the scientists started to work with the wildlife, possibly carrying the disease. She joins us live from West Austin. Mari?
Hi, Tyler. Well, that CDC field team arrived here in Austin on Wednesday. Last night they set dozens of traps around Austin, and in the next 2 weeks they'll set as many as 200 around town and in some neighborhoods like this one here in West Austin. But today we got an exclusive look as the scientists began to prepare to examine those first animals they caught overnight. Jennifer Adjemian and Christina McElroy are CDC scientists who specialize in the study of typhus. Traps they set in Austin overnight captured 4 baby raccoons and 1 possum.
They are here and they've been relaxing, and then we will be able to sedate them and get the blood samples that we need.
Those blood samples and any fleas found on the animals will be sent back to Atlanta.
When we see an outbreak such as this, what's going on here, we'll come and we'll trap animals and collect their fleas and ticks, because it's the best way for us to learn, 1, what disease is circulating in the area, and 2, to give the best prevention guidelines.
Results should take about a week to come back. Meanwhile, these animals will be released back into the wild after the sedative wears off. 2 factors may play into this typhus outbreak. 1, the drought that's forcing potentially infected animals to migrate looking for new sources of food and water. And secondly, the CDC field team says they've noticed the large amount of construction here in Austin. Homes built in rural areas are pushing humans and animals into closer quarters. Typhus may have been here all along, but it's just now that we're coming in contact. That's something Adjemian and McElroy will be studying over the next 2 weeks as they set more traps.
What we'll be doing is setting them in the evening and then collecting them very early in the morning to minimize any excessive heat that they would otherwise be exposed to.
Adjemian and McElroy say their work here in Austin shouldn't cause any panic. Adjemian and McElroy also add that they expect through their testing they'll find that the animals here are infected with the murine strain of typhus. That's the same strain that is commonly found in parts of South Texas. Now, if typhus is here to stay in Austin, the best thing to do to stay healthy is to keep your home free of fleas. That means keeping a clean home. Also, when you head outdoors, make sure to wear bug spray that does contain DEET. We're live in West Austin. Mari Alvarez, KVUE News.